a family, you have 4 or 5 kids, and you can't make rent 1 or 2 months, the police.
Leasing. You can email forum@kqed.org. You can call.
Brooke has moved out and filed for divorce.
She just heard about it, and they worked together to get them both at the game on Sunday.
Oh, mismo es un inmigrante. Haz algo sobre su situación hoy día.
There we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory.
Dominicans, Boricuas, hands up, on your feet, everybody, come on.
Silently, you are excluded.
Lo que sí somos.
Me asustan tipos lenguas largas, que solo presumen para
The voting outcome could be that it's discriminatory towards a certain type of person. So now when we think about policing and law enforcement and our criminal legal system.
Playlist,
New hip hop.
throwback. At work, we out here. Access to all the great podcasts for every interest. Black Effect Podcast Network. Connection.
Good things are coming even when we can't.
7430 now. Don't wait. Time is limited to file a claim. Call 800-281-7430.
Live on KNX, another check of your drive, traffic, Tom Tran.
Ese error es cosa de ayer.